Hello, I am Diana. In this channel, I would like to show you how I create my DIY projects. Today I would like to start with Jesmonite AC100, which is a mix of powder, which is a gypsum, and Jesmonite liquid. Jesmonite liquid looks like this. I have the big bag of 5 kilograms. And powder portion, which is a gypsum, which looks like this. For starting with Jesmonite, you will need some kind of silicone. You can use whatever silicone you have, but use please silicone mold, else you will not be able to remove the Jesmonite from the form. It's important that it's silicone. You will need kitchen scale, it's totally enough. Your Jesmonite mix of liquid and powder. You will need some kind of cup where you can mix it. I used this one for my previous project, and some kind of mixing tool. You can use wood stick like I have, or you can use whisk, also fine. And you can also use colors if you have. If you don't have colors, it's no problem. I have this Jesmonite set for testing all the colors which they offer. And for today, I will show you how to work with green pigment. Please use Jesmonite pigment because they are very strong. You don't need much. Other colors doesn't really work very well. So, before using any colors from Jesmonite, mix it thoroughly. Sometimes the color is separating, and then it would not work like it should. So mix it before using. About Jesmonite AC100. Jesmonite is offering more products, and they have also AC730. 730 is Jesmonite which looks, it's more on stone side. It looks like a stone when you work with it. This which I have is very smooth. It makes very smooth sides and it's really nice. So for today we will just work with the easy one. For the ones which doesn't like dirty hands, you can use your gloves if you have. If you don't worry about it. It will not harm you. It doesn't hurt. I just doesn't like it when it dries on my hands. So I rather use my gloves because I don't like the dry feeling. So first of all, first thing first, we will mix our Jesmonite. I use first my liquid portion to powder portion. You can do it other way around if you like. But I found that it's more easy for me to mix it like this. And Jesmonite AC100 is mixed 1 to 2.5 portion. So I measure 100 grams of liquid portion. Okay, a little bit more. And then I measure the powder portion. Now we did measure liquid portion. We had 100 grams of liquid, and now we add 250 grams of powder. I will start mixing it. I found better to mix it between, because when you add all the powder inside, it's a little bit more difficult to mix it then. Mix, mix, mix. It takes a little while. It doesn't go so fast, but I see it doesn't fit in my mold, in my cup. I will have to transport it. Here. And now we need to stir it a little bit more. Almost there. Good. So. I will show you how to do marble effect, which is very easy. It's beginner friendly. Everyone can make this. I will take my risk that I can get rid of all the clumps as much as I can. Looks good to me. Yeah, it looks good. Scrapey, scrapey. So, perfect. And now comes the funny part, where you can finally mix your colors. So I used the green from Jesmonite. Don't know if you can see it. Yeah. And we add few drops to it. 1, 2. Like this, it's perfect. Just a little bit on the top. Doesn't need to have much. And I will make this candle mold. You take your stick. You can have also chopstick, whatever you have, or it's fine. Go with your stick on with the drop down, and just mix it like this. And we are good to go. And now we just pour it. Put it all in. I don't know if you can see it. It looks very nice. And now just do a little bit this. Tap, tap, tap from the sides, because here everywhere are staying our air bubbles, and we need to get as much as possible rid of the air bubbles. Else you will see them in the end product. And that's not what we want. So I will still scrape the rest which I have here. And I have a little bit left, and I would like to still do. I will just check it if I have all bubbles right. Here's one. Okay. And if you can see the little air bubbles, and here we are done. I have still this little mold, which is perfect when you have leftovers. Then I will just scrape the rest to Jesmonite which I have here, which is not much. But I like this like for coffee holders or under my coffee, that I don't make rings on my wood table. But unfortunately I just broke one before I started to film. So let's try to make new one. Scrape, scrape. I will use my spoon to scrape it. You can bounce with it on your table if you have a little bit stronger silicone. Not every silicone is the same. Some of the silicones are very weak, very thin. It doesn't work with everyone. So here we go. We made two beautiful products. I come to you back when this hardens, and when this starts work, when you mix the liquid portion with the powder portion, after around 10-15 minutes it starts to heat up. So if you touch it from the sides, you will feel that it's warm. Mine is not yet warm, but you still have to unmold it when it's warm, after around 20 to 40 minutes. Because if you don't, it will make wet spots around your product. Okay, so after short pause, I will come and we will unmold it together. I'm back after short pause, and our Jesmonite is done. We will unmold it. Today he doesn't want to go out. Now it goes. You need a little bit power for this, but after it goes easy. And here is our beautiful looking candle vessel in green marble, which is really beautiful. All the marble effects are so nice. And here is our cup holder, or how to call it. It's also looking very good. So here we go. You can try this at home. It's easy and it's fast. Good luck.